There's a big update in the Android emulation space that PS2 fans should know about. The PlayStation 2 emulator NetherSX2 has added experimental support for online multiplayer.
That's something people didn't really expect to see on Android. NetherSX2 has been updated to version 2.2n, and the highlight here is online play using emulated network features.
The feature is powered by the DEV9 Ethernet module, which comes from the ARM-SX2 emulator. It essentially allows certain PS2 games to connect online, similar to how they did back in the day. To enable it, users have to turn on DEV9 Ethernet in the emulator settings, select the Sockets API, and then choose the appropriate connection method. Not every game supports online play, though. Compatibility is based on the PlayStation 2 online games catalog from 2024, so users need to check whether a specific title supports multiplayer.
Still, even experimental support is a big step forward. PS2 online gaming was a major part of that era, and bringing it to Android is pretty impressive.
The update isn't just about online features either. The developers also expanded the emulator's GameDB database.
And they fixed several graphical issues. Games like Silent Hill 3 and Yakuza now run with fewer visual problems.
That's good news for players who care about accuracy and stability, not just new features.
There are also 2 different emulator builds available, along with a detailed changelog, which can be found on GitHub for users who want to dig into the technical details.
Overall, this update shows how quickly Android emulation is evolving.
And it opens the door for something many people thought was no longer possible: PS2 online multiplayer on a phone.
That wraps up today's discussion. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back soon with more gaming and tech updates.